Andrea, one of the surgery coordinators here at Pure.
And my name is Carolina. Thank you so much for joining us on our event today to go ahead and show you guys how to book your procedure at Pure Plastic Surgery.
To book a consult here at Pure, you're going to go on our website at pureplasticsurgery.com and you're going to click on the virtual consultation tab and submit your medical questionnaire along with attach some photos.
Once you've gone ahead and submitted all of your information, the provider of choice will go ahead and review your questionnaire to make sure that all your information is correct and that you are a good candidate for that procedure. And then once we've approved you for it, we'll go ahead and give you a call to go over all your information and get you started.
We're going to give you a call, we're going to review your medical questionnaire with you, review what your goals are, go over any doubts that you may have, review the doctor's notes, and then at that point we'll present the proposal to you. We'll go over time frame and get you ready to start setting up your appointment if you would like to move forward.
In order to get into the surgical schedule, we do require a 20% deposit. That deposit is 100% refundable up until 31 days prior to your surgery, and it does go towards the overall cost of your procedure. You are able to cancel or reschedule twice if necessary. We do recommend that you let us know at least 30 days in advance to make sure you don't lose your deposit. Other than that, once you go ahead and place that deposit, you are 100% locked, and you do have a full year to undergo your procedure. In regards to availability, Dr. Earle is booked up for the next 6 to 8 months. Now, on the other hand, Dr. Vidal is available much sooner than that. Now, in order to go ahead and get that spot on, like we mentioned before, you do have to put in that 20% and then you're 100% locked in. Other ways to secure a spot or attempt to secure a sooner spot would be getting on our wait list. Our wait list is for patients that are already booked but have a specific time frame in mind for their procedure, however, it's not available at the moment. So what we usually go ahead and do is once a spot opens up, we'll contact that patient, ask them if that works for them, and if so, then we can go ahead and move them up. Keep in mind that all quotes are subject to change and they are only valid for the day that they're provided to you.
Once you're officially booked, you won't really hear much from your coordinator until 60 to 65 days or so prior to your surgery. Once our pre-op coordinator is going to give you a call, she's going to send you over your lab order, go over your medical questionnaire with you once again, make sure nothing has changed so that way we can start to get the process ready before you come into the office to actually have the surgery performed.
Unfortunately, if we do not receive your medical clearance or your final payment by the due date, you do run the risk of being removed from the surgical schedule. So that's why it's very important to follow up with your coordinator and your pre-op coordinator to make sure that you've completed everything necessary in order to go ahead and move forward and get to the big day, which is your procedure. And that's how you go ahead and book everything here at Pure Plastic Surgery. Remember to fill in your medical questionnaire, submit all your pictures, and give us about 3 to 5 days to get back to you girls.
We can't wait to see you guys.
Bye.